This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, all. Shall we start? What is SAP? ఇదేం చెప్పలేదు అదే సినిమాలో వెంకటేష్ అంటాడు యా 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 రైట్ చెప్పండి ఒకసారి చూసి చెప్పండి
SAP is ERP business software application normally used by companies to record day-to-day business transactions from production of raw material to generate revenue by selling and finished goods. Products and data selling good products and data will be stored in database to generate various reports of management companies.
సార్ మీరు ఒకసారి చదవండి ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అయ్యారా అటెండెడ్ ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ వాట్ ఈస్ SAP?
SAP is ERP business software application normally used by companies to conduct day-to-day transactions of raw materials that generate revenue by selling of finished goods. The data will be stored in database to generate various MDS reports. MIS reports.
వాట్ ఈస్ SAP? మీకు వినపడుతుందా అని చెప్తున్నా మీకు వినపడుతుందా అని అడుగుతున్నా వినపడట్లేదు
business software applications uses many complete business transaction for procurement of raw materials by generating revenue by selling finished goods and product. Data store will be
డేటా ఇస్ స్టోర్డ్ ఇన్
database.
సార్ don't take into heart, okay? See, everything take into heart, okay? Brain, everything, okay? Take into brain. Then you people don't get emotional, you people, okay, will try to think as a practical, then you will understand. For example, you have 10 friends or 20 friends or 30 friends. These 30 friends are carrying phones or not? These 30 friends have contact numbers or not? Okay, nowadays, okay, are you remembering any contact numbers of your friends, your relatives, your brother and okay, sister, or your father and mother? Where you are saving? Where you are saving? Where you are saving? Mobile is nothing but a device, right or wrong? In the same way here, okay, your desktop is a device. Hope you got my point. You are saving contacts in WhatsApp, right or wrong? Then only you can okay see that status and okay everything to and fro, right or wrong? In the same way, SAP is an application. There you are saving the contact numbers as a data. Here they are saving okay procurement of raw material, sales of material, and finance entries, HR entries. These all are as a data. Right or wrong? దాంట్లో ఏమైనా నిజంగా ఏమైనా కాంప్లికేటెడ్ ఉందా సార్? ఆర్ యూ ఫీలింగ్ ఎనీ కాంప్లికేటెడ్ థింగ్ ఇన్ దట్? SAP is application like your WhatsApp. But in WhatsApp, what you save? You save contact numbers, you save images, you save okay photos. In the same way, what business people, because okay, SAP is not a personal software application like your WhatsApp and Facebook. SAP is business software application. What they record, what they save, their data. What is the normally common? For example, we have started our business. What type of data you will normally you can do every day? You have started one department store. You okay, you arranged one chair, you sit in that chair. Business will be done. Business will be done. You have to purchase something, you have to attract okay customers, right or wrong? You should okay, for example, if you want to manufacture, you should manufacture or you should trade some goods, right or wrong, in the market. Then you will generate revenue. These all things you will maintain okay as a records or not? If you don't maintain records, one fine day who will come to you? IT department will come and they will okay ask you to రా అక్కడ శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ జన్మస్థానం ఉందో సరే right or wrong? Okay, not only in India, in any country, once you start business legally, That is the reason in your academics books they call as legal entity. Legal entity. What is the meaning of legal entity? You are legally responsible. You are legally responsible to record the transactions, to give that record of transactions to government in the form of financial statements, either P&L statement or balance sheet. You in your academics, you people have normally done P&L statement, right? Balance sheet, right? Okay, P&L statement as on 31st March or for the year end 31st March like that, and so company XYZ ABC Limited, right or wrong? That means one company, whatever the operations they are doing for their company, either it is procurement of raw material or production or sales or finance or HR or quality, anything, they should record in books. They should record in books. They should submit to respective government. అదే కదండి ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ అంటే. నిన్న కాక మొన్న దే హ్యావ్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ న్యూ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ యాక్ట్ ఇన్ ద పార్లమెంట్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ యాక్ట్? ఐదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బిజినెస్ ఆర్ పర్సనల్. By doing something, if they earn money, they are legally responsible to the government. From where? What is the source of income? Hope you got my point. Okay, based on that, you should pay. Okay, tax. Hope you got my point. Okay. Now forget about individual. Coming to business. It is a small business you have started. You just write it on paper and you will keep somewhere. Hope you got my point. Hope you got my point. Yesterday also one of our friend carried only one paper. I have asked him to carry book, but he has carried only one paper. What is the advantage and what is the disadvantage by carrying that paper? Advantage, just he will fold and he will wait and he will walk on the road like Prabhas or Pawan Kalyan. He will go to hostel and he will go to PG. What is the disadvantage? Once it lost, you cannot get. Okay, he cannot get. Okay, can he get back? But system is not like that. For example, you are using WhatsApp. Just assume that if your mobile has crashed, you purchase a new mobile. If you install WhatsApp with the same number, all your data will be retrieved or not. That is the advantage of software. That is the advantage of software. Hope you got my point. That is the reason. Okay, up to some extent, it is easy to write in books and to maintain in books. But once your turnover is increased, every company, every business, they should maintain one ERP software. Either it is local or international, that is a different thing. I'm not talking about SAP. I'm talking about business. I'm talking about business. I'm talking about companies. Hope you got my point. For me, SAP is nothing. For me, SAP is nothing. Out of 1,000 people, 999 people will be failed, or 990 people will be failed, or 900 people will be failed because they feel that is something. They feel that is something. Hey, SAP tougher. SAP is not tough. SAP. What is SAP? SAP is just application. That's it. If you have grip on your accounts, if you have grip on your finance, if you have grip on your costing, SAP is just a tool. That's it. You are maintaining in books, but now you are going to maintain in application called SAP. That's it. If you know debit, if you know credit, if you know P&L statement, if you know balance sheet, if you know what is liability, what is asset, what is income, what is expenditure, if you know what are the journal entries normally companies will post, if you studied these all things in your academics in a proper way, for me SAP is nothing. For me SAP is nothing. Because what is SAP? It is an application. It is a application. For example, you people know TikTok, right or wrong? You people know TikTok, right or wrong? So once upon a time, TikTok was very famous. But after that, so few countries have banned that, right? Including India. Then immediately what came? Instagram. What came? Instagram. The same activities which you are doing in TikTok, now you are doing in Instagram, right or wrong? That means tool has changed. Platform has changed. But the reels has not changed. The videos has not changed. The taking images has not changed. The fun has not changed. In the same way here, either companies use Tally or Oracle or SAP or Microsoft AdWords or some PeopleSoft, whatever it may be. Accounts will not change. Accounts, your finance and accounts will not change. Since last 100 years, we have debit and credit, right or wrong? We have P&L statement, balance sheet, right or wrong? We have liability, asset, income, expenditure, right or wrong? We have real account principle, nominal account principle, and personal account principle, right or wrong? Anyone in this world has introduced a fourth principle apart from these three? We have only nominal account principle and real account principle and personal accounts. That's it. That's it. But what it has changed? Our thought process and the turnover and the transactions. Right or wrong? What is SAP? It is just application. Okay. You are not going to change anything in accounts. You are going to maintain that accounts in an application called in an application called in an application called that's it. దానికి ఏదో వండర్స్ ఫీల్ అయిపోతూ ఉంటారు టు బి ఫ్రాంక్గా చెప్పాలంటే ఓకే ఎస్ఐపిలో జాబ్స్ లేవురా ఎస్ఐపిలో ఓకే టఫ్ రా ఎస్ఐపి నేర్చుకుంటే ఇది ఎఫ్ఎస్సి కూడా టఫ్ మన మైండ్ సెట్ ఇట్ ఇస్ టోటల్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ అవర్ మైండ్ సెట్ టోటల్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ hope you got my point. Okay, now tell me what is SAP? It is just a application to maintain day-to-day transactions. But who will use? Companies, not individual. Hope you got my point. You are using WhatsApp, you are using Facebook as an individual person, right? Or that will give entertainment. But business, okay, has not established for entertainment, right? Or wrong? Business, okay, those people have established their companies for business, right? Or wrong? Hope you got my point. Okay, we should know why we born for entertainment, for achieving something. If it is entertainment, you don't run after Instagrams, you don't run after Twitter, you don't run after okay Facebook. You will keep one goal and you will work for that goal. In the same way, business people, what is their okay motto? Their motto is not entertainment. Right or wrong? Hope you got my point. Their motto is to run business, to do the business, to record the business transactions. For that one, they should maintain one ERP book, one ERP software, any ERP software you take, either it is Tally or Oracle or PeopleSoft or Microsoft AdWords or okay, what we have Busy or Focus, any ERP software you take, SAP, it is nothing but for me, it is a electronic accounting book. What is that? Electronic accounting book. In a simple way, other way, I don't know whether you normally discuss with your grandmother or grandfather in your family, but if you observe your grandmother and your grandfather who is having some 70 plus years or 80 plus years, they don't know how to operate online banking, right or wrong? They don't know how to operate online banking, they don't know how to use bank application. What they will do? If they want to withdraw any money, if they want to deposit any money, what they will do? They will go to bank and they will carry passbook. They will carry, that is manual book. But what you people will do? Simply you people will open application, you people do the transaction. What this is? Electronic book, electronic passbook. Hope you got my point. What your grandfather grandmother is carrying to bank, that is more or less equal to your okay electronic application, right or wrong? They also debit and credit. Here also you people will do debit and credit, right or wrong? But we call this is electronic passbook. We call that is manual passbook. In the same way, whatever the accounts you have done in your academics, in your books, that is nothing but manual accounting books. But what now you are going to learn, what now you are going to okay understand, that is nothing but maintaining accounts in electronic book. Maintaining accounts in electronic book. Hope everyone understood, right? Okay, first mind any okay clarity techukondi sir. Then obviously one by one you people will understand. But business people okay background is finance, right or wrong? But business don't do only finance, right or wrong? What is the main motto of any business? What is the main motto? You only have started one okay business. What is the main motto? To earn the profit. To earn the profit. What okay one business team should do or company should do? They should sell product. They should sell product or services, right or wrong? To sell or okay product or services, what they need to do? First of all, they should manufacture that product, right or wrong? To manufacture that product, what they will do? They should purchase raw material first, right or wrong? To purchase that raw material, what they require? They should have money. This is continuous cycle 24/7. If you take any business, for example, you only have started one business. Today morning you have started, you have called everyone, you have opened okay, that particular business, you have celebrated like anything. Tomorrow morning you wake up at 6 o'clock and you will open or not? Or you will sleep at your home? Every day from tomorrow onwards, every day you people will open at 6 o'clock and you people will be ready and you people will go and you people will open that shop or okay, whatever it may be. You people will do operations or not. That is continuous process every day. In the same way, business people also continuously they do transactions, purchase of raw material, right or wrong? Production, sale, finance, HR, everything. But they should record okay those transactions or not. Why they should record? Why they should record these all transactions? To know the result. I am not saying profit. ప్రపంచంలో చేసే ప్రతి బిజినెస్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఎర్న్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఎవ్రీవన్ విల్ బికమ్ రిలయన్స్ అంబానీ రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్ టు నో ద రిజల్ట్ వెదర్ we are getting profit or loss. Why we should know? Because we should understand the performance of business. At the same time, as I already told you, it is a legal entity. It is a legal entity. You should submit these all transactions on fine day to government. What is that fine day? March 31st. What is that fine day? Every year, March 31st. Hope you got my point. So, from April 1st to March 31st, you should record all purchase related transactions, all production related transactions, all salaries, all wages, all electricity bills, and everything. All okay, production related, sales related, HR related, every transaction in the books. Then March 31st, okay, you should close all the books. You should submit to government. You should submit to government. Hope you got my point. So to maintain these all things in a proper way, they should have one system or not? They should have one system or not? There are so many systems in the market. Okay, one of that application is SAP. But what is the advantage in SAP? SAP is a largest ERP application in the world. Almost 80% companies are using SAP as their software. Hope you got my point. Okay, 80% companies across the globe. I am not talking about India. I am not talking about Telangana. I am not talking about Andhra Pradesh. Hope you got my point. Across the globe, 80% companies are using SAP as their software application since 2000. Anukundam. Okay, at least last 25 years. But when it has developed, 1972, almost 50 years back, it will run for another 50 years. That is in our career also. Yesterday also I have given example. Until unless we have word money in this world, business will be there, right or wrong? Until unless business, the word business is in this market, business software application will be there. Until unless business software application is there in this world, for me at least for next 30-40 years, SAP will be king. That's it. I don't say for next 100 years, for next 200 years, like that. At least for 50 years, at least it will be king. Monopoly, and that's it. So many people, so many competitors are trying to beat, but it is not happening. It is not happening because of the decisions which they are taking. Hope you got my point. I don't know how many people normally follows. Yesterday night also, yesterday midnight also, SAP has taken very vast decision. Yesterday midnight also. Seriously, okay, because based on the decisions for future, it is growing like anything. It is growing like anything. Hope you got my point. Okay, anyways. So, but you people should understand, any company, why they require any software application, why any company is required to record day-to-day business transaction. Right or wrong? So security ఉండవే లేదండి. For example, you lost your mobile. So whenever you buy new mobile, whenever you insert your SIM card, your contacts and your mail IDs and your WhatsApp contacts, your all the things which you have in that particular SIM, it will be retrieved or not? That is nothing but security. Hope you got moment. Every day you are recording transactions, the data should be available or not? The data should be available or not? and security also should be there. And okay, whenever they need, they want to generate reports. Okay, any company you take, any company, why they use? What is the another one? Transparency. What is the another one? Transparency. Once you record the transaction in live system, you cannot change. You cannot change. For example, one fine day you got message. One fine day you got message. Your bank account has been created with okay 1 lakh 2 lakhs. On fine day, just assume that. Let on a message. The message has not come from i3 IT solutions. You people have feel no, today I didn't get any message from i3 IT solution. Then immediately next moment you got one message. Your account has been created with 1 lakh or 2 lakhs. Okay. Hope you got my point. But that is not your money. That is not your money. Suddenly, immediately after half an hour, you have not transferred and these all things, you are okay. You have waited for some time. But because if you transfer that one, again, it will lead to another complication. Just okay, you know that these all things, that is the reason you have waited for some time after. Immediately got another message. Your account has been debited with 1 lakh. What happened? Someone has wrongly created from bank and immediately they have identified that okay issue or okay problem. Immediately they have rectified. They have rectified. Afternoon, after you fresh everything, okay, you have gone to bank, you have taken bank statement. The credit amount, debit amount will be there or not? The credit amount, okay, debit amount will be there or not? Or they will delete that one? They cannot. That is the reason. What is? Okay, what is another one? Transparency. You do something wrong, but it will be there. Because auditors will audit. Auditors will audit every year end your system, your books. Hope you got my point. So these are the okay 5 pillars any company will use. Software application. What is the first one? To record day-to-day business transactions or reports or whatever it may be. Then data. Then security. Then transparency. Then reports. Hope you got my point. Please note it. What is our application? Okay. Hope everyone understood, right? Why companies will use software applications? Why? What is the purpose? To record day-to-day transactions, data, security, reports, transparency. Once anyone has recorded any transaction in live system, like your bank is nothing but live system, right or wrong? They cannot delete that, but they can rectify. They can rectify. That is the reason they have created your okay bank account, but immediately they have identified something has wrong. What they have done? Immediately they have debited. But whenever you take statement, the two records will be available or not? The 2 records will be available or not? That means you are generating report. See, they have recorded transaction, right or wrong? The data is available and it is secured, right or wrong? Then you have generated statement and ultimately the data transparency is there. The data transparency is there. Every element it has touched or not? Hope you got my point. Everyone is clear, right? Shall we go to the next one? So now tell me, what is SAP? SAP is a ERP software application used by companies to record day-to-day business transactions. What are those day-to-day business transactions? From procurement of raw material to generating revenue by selling finished goods. And data will be stored in database to generate various MIS reports, including your financial statements. Why I have not mentioned financial statement in that abbreviation? Business don't work only for finance. They have purchase transactions, they have production transactions, they have other transactions also there, sales and these all. That is the reason I have not given that statement, including financial statements. Everyone is clear, right? Everyone is clear, right? So at least now you people have some idea what is SAP, right? Okay. So today I will start with modules in SAP application. Modules in SAP application. Why you are here? Why you are here? To learn SAP FICO. What is FICO? Okay, what is that in SAP? It is a nothing but a module. It is a nothing but a module. But we don't have while you are running in the state. Maybe you may see SAP MM, SAP ST, SAP above, or SAP PP, SAP HR, HCM. Right or wrong? What these all are? These all are nothing but modules. These all are nothing but modules. Okay. So first we will try to understand what are the different types of modules we have in SAP. Then we will go next one. Okay, right. So we can segregate modules in SAP into 4 ways. The first one is one is okay. So how many types of modules we have in SAP application? 4 types. What are those? Functional modules. Okay. So what is functional module? The functional modules, the name itself stating. What is that? Modules. Nothing but finance. What is CO? Costing. Okay, I hope you got my point. What is CO? Costing. But in SAP we call that is controlling. What is the cost accountant will do? They will always try to reduce the manufacturing cost. They do analysis. They always try to reduce the manufacturing cost. Control the cost. That is in SAP we call that is controlling. Okay, what is MM? Materials management. That is one of the department in company. Right or wrong? Hope you got my point. Okay. What is SD? Sales and distribution. That is one of the module. Okay, department in company. HR. Human resource. That is one of the department. QM, quality management. That is one of the department in company. PP, production planning. Production planning. That is also one of the department in company. So functional modules are nothing but, in a simple way, departments. In a simple way, departments in company. Departments in, for our better understanding purpose, I am telling in a layman language. Hope you got my point. So what are the functional modules normally we have in SAP? We will start with FI, and we will start with CO and MM, PP, ST, HCM. These all are a number of functional modules are there. To learn these functional modules, no coding required. No coding knowledge or whatever it may be. No coding knowledge. Hope you got my point. First of all, okay. Hope you got my point. Okay, right. Then what is FI? FI is nothing but financial accounting. CO is nothing but controlling. CO is nothing but controlling. MM is nothing but materials management. PP is nothing but production planning. ST is nothing but sales and HCM is nothing but, earlier normally we used to call that is HR, but now we are not calling that is HR. How we are calling? HCM. What is HCM? Human capital. Human capital. Human capital management. Hope you got my point. So these all are different functional modules in SAP. Nothing but these all are departments in company. To learn functional module, we don't require coding knowledge. We don't require. Okay, you need not to have knowledge in C, C++, Java, .NET, Python like that. Okay, what is our maximum people background is finance, right? Okay, maximum people background is finance. So what is eligible for finance people? FI, because FI means financial account. CO means cost. Hope you got my point. In the way different qualification people, different functional module they will choose based on their interest or based on the suggestions, whatever it may be. Hope you got my point. Then what is the next one? Technical module. Again, we will go back to your WhatsApp application. Again, we will go back to WhatsApp application. What is WhatsApp? It is an application. Any application in this world will build. Any application in this world will build on one by using one programming language. By using one, either it is Java or .NET or C or Python, whatever it may be. To build one application, what is required? Programming language. What is required? Programming language. In the same way, what is SAP? SAP also application. So it also built on one programming language. Right or wrong? So the technical module in SAP is nothing but, what is that? Yeah, wow. I think you have seen that boards. Right or wrong? SAP above on HANA training and these all things. What is above? What is above? Above is nothing but programming. Above is nothing but programming language of SAP. Programming language of SAP application. Programming language of SAP application. Because every application you take, WhatsApp or Facebook or Vector or whatever it may be, it built on one programming language. It built on one programming language. In the same way, SAP has built on, what is the programming language? Advanced business application programming. Advanced business application programming. Okay, hope you got the point. You need not to learn each and every abbreviation. First, people try to understand what is that. What is above? What is above? Programming language of SAP. Programming language of SAP. Any programming language you take, it contains what it will have? Technical programs. Technical programs. Background ఏంటి sir? Whenever you open any programming in your friends, if anyone is learning programming language, just you check what they are doing. That language is totally different. They write some programming language code and these all things, right? Or we cannot, as a normal person who doesn't know about that coding, they cannot understand. Right or wrong? Hope you got my point. Okay. So every programming language, what kind it contains? Technical programs. This technical programs contains technical tables. Technical tables. These technical tables contains technical fields. Technical fields. Okay. Again, I will take one example. Hope everyone is using TSRTC, APSRTC, IRCTC. Right or wrong? Or everyone using your bank applications also. Just if you take TSRTC or APSRTC or IRCTC, whenever you open, from destination, from place is there or not? Here, this is from place. Right or wrong? And you have 2. And you have 8. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? You have date and gender and seat number. Right or wrong? What these all are? What these all are? Nothing but each and everything is one field. If you call front end, normally you are feeling that is you are entering from to date. Okay, but in background it is nothing but technical. In backend it is nothing but technical field. The combination of fields, each and everything we call as field. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? The combination of fields we call as technical table. The combination of technical tables we call as technical programs. The combination of technical programs we call as programming language. What is the programming language of SAP? What is the programming language of SAP? Above contains technical programs. Above contains technical program. From today onwards, if anyone asks, what is above? What would be your answer? What would be your answer? SAP is nothing but programming language of, above is nothing but programming language of SAP. Above contains
technical programs.
Technical programs contains
The group of technical
tables contains. Once again, I am telling you, sir, I am not going to teach here programs and tables and fields. You are going to learn functional module. But where you are working? You are working on SAP application. What is that base? If you don't understand, you cannot survive. Hope you got my point. In interview, they will ask, okay, you are saying that you have learned SAP FICO in i3 solution from Venkat. Okay, tell me what is above. Sir, I don't know, sir. I learned only FICO. They say, I understood you came from USA. You can leave further. You can leave further. That is the reason, even though you are learning a functional module, at least you should have idea of these all things. Because you are going to work on SAP application. Functional module is also part of SAP. Technical module also part of SAP. Module also part of SAP. Reporting module also part of SAP. You are going to become SAP employee. Hope you got my point. You are going to become SAP employee. You should understand what are the different things are there in that application. No, sir. 90% people they say I have learned SAP FICO. Then I will ask what is above. No one will give answer. At least if you ask what is PP, no one will give answer. Then who will give job to us? At least you don't know who are our neighbors. What they do in that particular module. Okay, who will give job? Hope you got my point. Hope you got my point. That is the reason you people should understand. What is ABAP? ABAP is nothing but programming language of SAP, which you are going to learn, where you are going to learn. And what that programming language contains? Technical programs. Technical programs contains technical tables.
Technical
Technical
tables.
tables contains technical fields.
Technical.
The combination of technical fields, we will call as technical table. The combination of technical tables we call as technical programs. The combination of technical programs we call as one programming language. What is that programming language in SAP? Hope you got it, and everyone is clear. The people who have completed BTech CSC, they are eligible to learn this course. Hope you got it, open. You people have done MBA or MCOM or BTech, civil or okay. EC, you people are choosing some functional code, right? Or functional course. In the same way, who is eligible to learn this above? The people who have completed BSc IT, okay, MSc IT, BTech CSC. The people who have some idea on programming language. The people who have some idea of programming language, okay, like Java or .NET or C, they are eligible to learn this particular course. Everyone is clear, right? So from now onwards, if anyone asks how many types of modules we have in SAP, how many types? What are those? What is functional module? It is nothing but departments. Okay, there are different departments. Each and every department we have one functional module in SAP. Because why each and every department we have one functional module in SAP? Because SAP is a business software. It is not a normal software. SAP is a business software. Who will do business? Companies will do business. So whatever the departments we have in companies, each and every transaction, what they are doing, they should save in some department, right or wrong, in some module. So these all are functional modules, no coding left, required. Then what is the next one? Technical module is nothing but ABAP for SAP. For SAP, what is the technical programming language? ABAP. ABAP contains technical programs. Technical programs contains
Technical tables.
tables contains
Technical fields.
combination of technical fields we call as the
Technical
combination
tables.
of tables we call as the combination of technical programs we call as one programming language.
Programming language.
What is the programming language of SAP? We people should
Above.
keep. Okay. If anyone asks what is MM, what is PP, what is ST, what is above, you people should be able. Okay, you people should be in a position to explain. Right or wrong? Okay, right. That. What is the next one? We are okay. We have sit in this room, right or wrong? We are in this room. Now, you people wants to go to lab. I want to go to my room. What we should do? After this class, okay, people just want to go to lab and I want to go to my room. Okay, right? Okay. What we should do? We should we should stand and we should go and we should open the door. And again, I should open my door and you people should open your lab. Okay, that particular door. Then only you can. Right or wrong? In the same way in your home, from hall to bedroom, from hall to kitchen, from hall to washroom, to go, you people will open that respective doors or not? Doors are not. Right or wrong? It is a small home, it is a small institute. Here itself we have some 3 to 4 doors to enter into different rooms. Right or wrong? Then what about companies? What about companies? Large scale industries. They have different departments, right or wrong? Just assume that these three people are belongs to finance. These three people are belongs to costing. Those three people are belongs to materials. Those three people are belongs to production. That particular gal is belongs to HR. Hope you got my point. These remaining all people, one day that HR gal has taken leave. One day means that day is 31st. What is the significance of 31st? We will get salaries. Right or wrong? Just assume that. On that day, she has taken leave. Yeah, I'm leave this salary. Okay. Until unless she comes back to office, the salary will not be processed. Okay, tomorrow I should go to some outside with my girlfriend. No, it is not. It is not possible at all. And Japanese, what you people have done? You people have opened your system in office. You people have processed your salaries. ఒక్కొక్కడు 10,000 ఎక్కువ వేసుకుంది. Is it right? Then how it will be controlled? How it will be controlled? These finance people should not involve in costing department people work. That costing department people should not involve in materials department people work. That materials department people should not involve in production people work. Okay, or any department should not involve in other department. There should be limitations are there or not. There should be controls are there or not. For that one, what is the module we have? Admin. What is admin? Hey, నువ్వు ఎలాగెళ్ళొద్దు. Hey, నువ్వు ఎలాగెళ్ళు. Right or wrong? We will guide or not? Okay, right or wrong? In a company, there are different departments we have. This particular finance department people should not do HR people work. This HR people should not do. Hope you got my point. I drive two-wheeler like anything. Okay, seriously. I drive two-wheeler like anything. That is the reason I have gone to some airport and I told that one, hey, I drive aeroplane because I am driving two-wheeler like anything. Is it okay? Is it okay? Right or wrong? Where I am expert? I am expert in two-wheeler drive. I should do two-wheeler work. Aeroplane, okay, the people are there, pilots, okay, they should do their work. In the same way, in company, every department they should do their work only. They should not involve in. They should not involve in. They should not involve in. How we will control? How we will control? Normally, every batch I will give one example. System always works as robo. Where you are going to work? You are going to work in system. System always works as robo. If you give right input, system will give right output. If you give wrong input, system will give wrong. Everyone is clear, right? Everyone is clear, right? I will give a small example. I will take one movie reference here. How many people have watched Robo 1? Robo is one movie is there, right? Rajinikanth, Aishwarya Rai. Okay, Shankar directed. Robo 1. How many people have watched? మనకి కత్తిది నరసింహ ఇటువంటి మూవీస్ చెప్తామా రైట్ ఎనీవేస్ ఓకే రోబో 1 how many people have watched almost okay 80% people have watched in that movie either before interval or after interval there was one scene one girl some 18 years 19 years girl has stuck in fire accident right or wrong robo goes and robo saves that particular girl right or wrong but even robo saves that girl that particular girl attempts suicide why that particular girl attempts suicide robo has very good heart robo thought that she is in danger that is the reason robo went and robo saved that girl but girl has not utilized that one and the girl attempted suicide why anyone from online
Yeah,
because she was taking bath.
She was
Yeah, because of she was taking bath. I mean.
obviously emotions పనిచేయవండి ఓకే మనతోనే ఉంటారు మనతోనే బీర్ తాగుతారు మనతోనే ఉంటారు మనతోనే బయట సినిమాలకు వస్తారు రేపు పొద్దున పొడి చేసేవాడు పొడి చేస్తారు అందరూ కాటప్పులే కార్పొరేట్ వాళ్ళు ఓకే రైట్ ఎనీవేస్ ఎనీ ఆన్సర్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆన్లైన్
Yes, she was taking bath and that robot has got her without, clothes only. So because of that shame, she got suicide.
yes
It was decided. No ethics and no human values.
yeah
That's the point.
any answer can I expect any answer from online
Sir, are you audible?
are you able to hear me
Yeah, we are able
Sir,
to
we are
hear you.
answering, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah, we are
but
answering.
yeah,
Are you able
answering.
to listen us?
hello
Hello. Yes, sir.
are you able to hear me
We are able to hear, sir, but I think you cannot hear us.
yeah no now okay it's okay yeah tell me tell me what is the reason
Yes, she was
Yeah,
taking
no ethics
bath
and no
and
human
without
values.
clothes only. Yeah.
Yeah, tell me one by one. Hope you people understand my question, right?
Director has written story like that.
No emotions and no ethical values.
And no, okay, the values. Okay, చాలా పెద్ద పెద్ద statement. Right.
The robo is not coded with character language, sir.
Okay, that is, okay. Any other answer?
Scripted.
Chitti was instructed to save the girl no matter what.
Chitti is restricted to save girl, but
No matter how the situation is.
yes, that is the right answer. That particular scientist has given input to that particular robo. Robo is nothing but system. Robo is nothing but system. The particular okay scientist has given input to that robo, that Chitti, whatever it may be. If you identify any okay situation, fire accident like this, that means how system will identify that fire accident? The normal degree Celsius 30 or 35 or whatever it may be. If the degree Celsius is more than 50 or 60 or 70, based on the programming which okay we have built in that particular city, okay, it felt that that is fire accident. It felt that that is fire accident. So how the scientist has built that system? If you identify any degree Celsius more than this, you should treat that one as a fire accident. Okay, you go and save if any human beings are there. But that particular scientist has not given input that whether they are wearing clothes or not, whether he is okay boy or whether she is girl. Okay, if they are wearing clothes, you should okay save and you should send them to society. Or if they are not wearing clothes, you should okay bring them to some remote area. They have not given that input. Just what is the input they have given? That scientist has given. You save. That is your work. That's it. But in India, or India not only in India world, okay, as for human beings, okay, we have some emotions, we have some ethics, right or wrong? So if we don't wear clothes, even in our home also, we feel some guilty, right or wrong? In front of okay, in front of our partners, in front of okay, our parents, we cannot okay, remove, right or wrong? Clothes. But that particular girl without clothes, that particular robot has entered into society because that particular scientist has not given that input. Scientist, what is the input he has given? Just to save. If okay, you feel that is accident, you save that human being and you okay bring them to society. They have, if that particular scientist has given input that you should verify whether that particular okay human being is wearing clothes or not. Hope you got moment. Then you should okay bring them to some remote place. What I mean to convey, any system, either it is SAP or Robo or artificial intelligence or machine learning or whatever it may be you take, if you give proper input, it will give proper output. If you don't give proper input, it will not give proper. In the same way, who will control these all things? Who will control? People should not work for okay ST. ST people should not involve in HR work. HR people should not work in PP. Right or wrong? Who will give? Administration module.
Admin.
Admin. Okay. Who will give? Administration module people will give. That administration module in SAP is nothing but basis, business administration information system or something, whatever it may be. Leave it. Okay. So what is the module? Basis. Basis is the module where it will control roles and responsibilities of employees. Hope you got my point. Okay. He only can get the authority or that authorization for his role only. He should not involve in other department work. So what normally this basis consultant will do? This basis consultant will do user IDs, creation. For your Facebook, for your Twitter, for your Instagram, you have user ID, password or net. Okay, right or wrong? But this is business software application. Okay, anyone cannot create that. Okay, user ID is password. Okay, some responsible person should be there to create that user ID password. Just assume that you are employee of organization. You will get employee ID, right or wrong? Someone should create that employee ID. Then only they will give that to you. Hope you got the point. In the same way, to log into SAP, someone should create user ID. Who will create? Basis. Who will create? Basis. What is the next one? For your user ID, initial password also those people only will create. You don't. Hope you got my point. Once they give that initial password, then you can change. Okay, hope you got my point. Okay, so what is the other one? Passwords. These all are different roles and responsibilities of basis team in SAP. Hope you got my point. What they will do? User IDs creation, password generation, roles creation, profiles creation, authorizations. Hope you got, because what is SAP? SAP is a ERP software application. Who will use? Companies. ఎలా పడితే అలాగ వాడవండి. Every company they have their own structure, right or wrong? Who should do who? Okay, what work? Hope you got one. Finance people should do finance related work only. HR people should do HR related work only. Materials people should do materials related work only. They should not involve in other. Okay, నాకు తెలుసు నేను చేసేస్తా. That is live system. That is live system. For example, just I will give one example. Banks will provide, normally banks will do banking operations, right or wrong? Cash deposit, cash withdraw, check deposit, check withdraw. The same banks will provide insurance also, right or wrong? The same banks will provide insurance also, life insurance, okay, and health insurance, these all things, right or wrong? The insurance agents, the insurance employees who are employees of that particular bank, if they go to cashier and okay, if they say, hey, you stand up from your, okay, go from your seat, I will sit and I will do cash transactions. Will they allow? Will they allow? That's it. In company also, bank also one company. Okay, what is the insurance employees role? Selling insurance, claiming insurance policies. What is this bank operation team role? Depositing cash, withdrawing cash, check, okay, transfers, these all are their roles. In the same way here also, in company also, there are different departments, different roles. Who will do this all work? Basis people. Who will do this all work? Basis people. How they know? SAP will give some standard rules. Finance people, they should use this one. HR people, they should use this one. people, they should use this one. They are not gods to know everything. Someone should guide them, right or wrong? They are also people like us. How they know? Finance department use these all things. HR department, they use these all things. They also don't know. Who will give? SAP will give some standard instructions. These department people are okay, these are the eligible to use. Hope you got my point. Okay, based on that they will decide. Okay, right. Then what is the next one? From now on, okay, if anyone asks how we will control roles and responsibilities of employees in SAP application, how? By using basis module. By using basis module. What is the basis module? Okay, people roles and responsibilities. They will create. They will create. Passwords. They will create roles creation. They will do profiles creation, and they do authorizations. Everyone is clear, right? Everyone is clear, right? Then what is the next one? Reporting modules. You are using bank account again. You are using bank application. Okay. You open and you want to check the transactions which you have done. Whenever you open and whenever you click on a statement, the first 10 transactions will be displayed. Right or wrong? The first 10 transactions will be displayed. Just assume that you have opened your bank account last 10 years. When you 10 years back you have opened your bank account, continuously you are doing transactions. Suddenly today you want the transactions list, just you have opened application, some 10 transactions will be appeared, right or wrong? Then you want to check last 1 year, then the date range will be there, you click on the date range and you will give from and to, right or wrong? Then below to that, download as a PDF or send to mail option is there, you will select that one and you will send. You need the transactions list of last 10 years. Are you thinking that your application supports? Maybe 1 year or 2 years, hardly 3 years. But if you need the 10 years statement, what that application will say? Please visit your nearest branch. Please, right or wrong? Visit your nearest branch to get. That means there is some limit. Hope you got my point. After that, there is some other way to generate that one. In the same way, what is SAP? SAP is ERP software application. Every department record their n number of transactions every day. Just assume that more supermarket is there, right or wrong? More is a supermarket where normally all FMCG goods are available. Oh, okay. Today morning, at 8 o'clock, I have gone to more supermarket to buy something. For some 5 rupees thing. That material value is how much? 5 rupees. I have taken that 5 rupees material, maybe chocolate or biscuit or whatever it may be. I have gone to that cash counter. I have given 500 note. I have given 500 note. What he will tell? No change. Because that is morning 8 o'clock. They have opened there only. Then only. Okay. I have bought one chocolate. But what is the note I have given? 5. Then I have started arguing with that cashier. I didn't think these all things. We didn't think these all things. Just I have started quarreling with cashier. Why you don't give? You are running business. Don't you have change? Without having change, why you have opened today? These are the discussions we do normally, right or wrong? Are you really willing to do business? This is unfair. Right? Hope these all things we will discuss. Right or wrong? Something happened there. He has also quarreled like anything. Then we thought that one, I left that material there and I came out from that store. Then I called some 10 or 15 people of my friends. How many people I have called? Some 10 to 15 people. Just assume that. Hostel that 15 people came. I didn't go for fight. I have given each one some 500 or 1000 rupees. These 15 people. This 500 or 1000 rupees 15 people. I told them, Arey Baba, I am feeling that these 15 people are my heart, my life. Will you do some favor to me or not? Yes, kada. Hey, you kaabate kyauru leer mama. Inko samsram boy kyauru kanvattu. Right? That is a different thing. But they told that one, you will have the leer mama. Okay, then obviously what I have suggested, with this 1000 rupees, every 5 minutes you go and you buy some 1 rupee chocolate. Every 5 minutes you go and buy 1 rupee chocolate. How many transactions it will be per day? 15 people, every 5 minutes, 1 rupee chocolate. Hope you got my point. How many transactions per day? 1000 of transactions it will be happening. In the day and they should generate report or not? How many transactions it will come? N number of 1000 of transactions. But they should record each and every transaction or not? Whether it is 5 paisa or 1 rupee or 2 rupees or 100 rupees or 1000 rupees, they should record their transaction. Every day night they should generate their report or not? What are the transactions they have done? In those case, system performance will be down like anything. That is also system, right or wrong? If you open in your laptop or in your system, in your mobile, at a time 10 to 15, Google Chrome pages, the system will be stuck or not? The performance issue will become or not? In the same way, SAP also, what is SAP? Application. If you generate some 1000 people are entering data, 1000 people are generating reports. The system will be, performance issue will be there or not? To avoid these all things, what SAP has done? SAP has given some reporting modules. SAP has given some reporting modules. Okay, that reporting modules in SAP, we have mainly two modules: SAP BI, SAP. You can generate some 5 transactions, 10 transactions, 20 transactions, 100 transactions, 1000 transactions by using normal module only. But if there is a bulk transactions, lakhs of transactions, thousands of transactions, then it's better to use reporting modules. It's better to use report. Just like more supermarket, they have done some 10,000 transactions per day. Per month, how many transactions it would be? 30 into 10,000. Hope you got moment. Per year, okay, how many transactions it would be? 12 into 30 into 10,000. They want to generate these all records in the year end. How many records it will be? Lakhs of records will be there, right or wrong? So in those cases, SAP is suggesting to use reporting. What are the main reporting modules we have? SAP BI, SAP BI. BI means nothing but business intelligence. BO means nothing but business objects. Business objects. These two will be used to generate reports. To generate reports or analytics in bulk based on client business, based on client business. Everyone is clear, right? Everyone is clear, right? From today onwards, if anyone asks how many types of modules we have in SAP, how many? What are those? What are the functional modules we have? What are the functional modules? Question clear ga artham chesukondi. What are the functional modules we have? This thing just I have given, okay, for your understanding purpose. Hope you got my point. Okay, tell me, what are the functional modules we have in SAP? FI, CO, MM, PP, ST, okay, HCM. These all are different functional modules. To learn or to work on functional modules, we don't need any coding language. What is the technical module we have in SAP? What is above? Programming language of SAP. Okay, any programming language contains technical programs. Technical programs contains technical tables. Technical tables contains technical fields. Hope you got one. The combination of technical fields we call as table. Technical table. The combination of technical table we call as technical program. That combination of technical program we call as one programming language. What is the programming language of SAP? Everyone is clear, right? What is the next one? Okay, what administration people will do in SAP language? Okay, what is the module? Basis. What is their roles and responsibilities? They will create user IDs. They generate passwords. They create roles. They create profiles. They do authorization. Okay, then what are the reporting modules we have in SAP? SAP BA BO to generate reports in a bulk based on client business. Hope you got my point. Okay. Any doubts coming to modules? Any doubts from online people?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes.
So for the role creation and profile creation, to the security team or basis team, sir?
To create?
For the profile user profile creation and role assigning, which do the only the basis or security team, sir?
Security and basis both are same.
Okay.
Hope you got my point.
Okay, sir. For that in SAP, so we have two teams, right, sir? Basis is the different team and security is the different team.
No. One thing.
So either, yeah.
In ECC we call that is basis. In S4HANA we call security and GRC in a simple way.
Okay,
Okay,
got it. Yeah,
you
got
got,
it.
you got the point, right?
Yes, sir, got it. Thank
Yeah. Great. Qt and GRC, it is
Hello,
a
sir. I
cloud
have a small
solution.
doubt.
Yes, yes.
Sir, what about SAP consultant, SAP business analyst? What they do, sir?
One minute, 1 minute. It is not SAP, it is SAP.
Okay. SAP consultant, SAP
Yeah.
business analyst.
Okay.
So what they do? What?
Tomorrow class it will be covered. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. Any other doubts?
Sir, it's not a doubt, it's a small clarification.
Yeah.
Actually, a person who does FICO, this functional module, could also play a role as admin and reporting side. Is it doable, possible?
Possible means, okay, simple word I can say, any person can do anything in this world. Right or wrong?
Yes.
But if we do that one in a proper way, the proper person should be there. Right or wrong?
Yes. Yes.
I also can go to kitchen, I also can make biryani, but I don't know who will eat, and after okay they eat, they will like right? Hope you understand. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but organizations will not give okay that type of responsibility to functional consultants, because if they take authorization okay based on their interest, it should not be like that, right or not?
Yeah, got it, sir.
Yeah. Any further doubts?
So, sir.
It's clear.
Yeah. If people can note it down and if people can leave for the day, tomorrow we have class at 7:30. Okay. So
Hello, sir.
if any day class is not there, I only will intimate in group. Hope you got my point. Till that point of time, every day class will be there. Okay, right. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
For administrative module and reporting modules, is any coding needed for?
Reporting module has coding required, little bit coding, but their coding is different, not above. SQL, okay, these type of things they require.
Okay, sir.
Administration module, it is not required any.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any further doubts?
Nothing, sir. We are okay.
If people can note it down and if people can leave for the day, and okay, classroom people, any doubts? All right, and we will meet tomorrow at 7:30, same day. Okay, thank you.